The last thing that we'll do here is we'll try to make a graph. We'll go back to just lemons, and we want to make a graph of nominal prices and real prices over time. I'll go to Insert, Chart. This chart wizard pops up that will be slightly different depending on the application that you're using for your spreadsheet, but it should be close enough that you can find your way through. So first I'm choosing a chart type, and I want to make a line chart. I can choose points only, points and lines, etc. I'm going to choose lines only. Now I need to choose the range of data. Clicking this little button on the right will allow me to select data with the mouse. I want to pick nominal prices and real prices. I'm going to choose these titles and drag for all the numbers as well. I'll want to make sure that it knows my first row is a label. The first column is not a label. We'll do next. If it looks confusing at all, which it starts to a little bit, then I just click Finish, and we'll see what kind of graph shows up. Now I've scrolled all the way to row 405, so my graph is probably at the top of the page. And there it is. Let's see if we can blow this up a little bit bigger. So here's our finished graph. I want to try to quickly show to you that it does match up the graph that we had on that Department of Labor website. And you can see that we have a match. Our blue graph of the nominal prices over time matches up with what we found on the Department of Labor website. The only difference is we've got a nice graph where the vertical axis goes all the way down to 0. Theirs starts just a hair below 50 cents. So the scaling is a little bit off, but the graph itself is the same data, so it should make the same graph. And what we have added to it is the adjusted real prices over time. And we can see that really there's been some decent fluctuation, that there was a point in time where the real price in 2012 dollars is higher than what it is currently. And actually over time we seem to be currently on the lower side of the spectrum, that in the past prices have been a bit higher when we look at all prices adjusted for inflation, comparing real dollars, not nominal dollars.